Hi all, good evening and standard disclaimer. So whatever stocks are maybe options related, right? Whatever I am discussing, this is only for education purpose. I'm not going to suggest you to buy or maybe a sell. Okay, just I will give you maybe some. I will discuss here about some stocks or maybe options and related information. You have to analyze the stocks or maybe whatever it may be. You have to take your own decision. Okay. Now let's see first stocks. Some of the right stocks are available at low price. One is not low price at good levels. And if you see, this is NTPC chart. Okay, and this NTPC chart, if you observe, right, it is doing. I mean, it is moving up in a proper channel. Here you can see it took support here, support here, support again here, support again, support. So right. So now immediately by just I will give you a stop loss, maybe right. You can decide yourself. uh, what is this? What is the targets? So now at present it is at support level. So I can go with right. Tomorrow I will take a trade on this one. As of now, I'm not having any trade. So 170, right? With 170, or if you go maybe 160, or right, if you consider this one, right, this is also one major support. Multiple times it's reached here, and right after breaking this one, it's moving high. So 170 short term, or maybe if you are looking long term, you can go with 150 is your stop loss, right? I don't know about how much, right? No one don't know where it will go. Maybe my expectation is once it's break 180 immediate, that is right, resistance, right, it may go to up to this channel. As per this one, it may go to 240 levels, something like this. Okay, but anyway, just do this one, your analysis. But at present it is proper risk reward available. You can check this one. Same thing in NTPC. Suppose here, right, if you are unable to find what is the support, right, best option, right, sometimes, right, I will use, even in my previous videos also you can see, I will use, right, TradePoint. It's a free software, define its trade. So I will use Renko chart. So on daily time frame, right, you can search here NTPC. And the chart format is, generally I will use Renko, right? And 1% is very for short term, very short term. Okay, we can use 1%. If you want to change this percentage, generally, right, 2% we will use for something like medium term. And if you are looking for some long time, maybe 1 year, something like that, we can go with 3%. So if you see, right, if you see, right, let me go to short term 1%. If you see clearly, if you go to on right higher time frame like 3%, clearly you can see stock is never hit right bottom, right? It's moving clearly. We can came to know this is an uptrend. Now, if you are looking for short term, right? Let me go with 1%. So you can go with 160, 170 is your stop loss. So that means if any bricks happen 178, so right, one more brick here to happen below this line, support line, that is nothing but a 168. 168 is your stop loss. So that is only right. Here also just we discussed here, right? 171 is your stop loss, right? And right, this is the one more major, you can see resistance, that is nothing but a 183. That is what here you can see 180, right? So if it's break, maybe once it's reached here, and if it's coming down, you can sell that one, or else if it's break, right, you can move upward. then your stop loss become 180. So that accordingly how to plan your trade. Okay, this is about NTPC. Now I am having one more stock. Really, it's very good level. It is available. SFL. So this is already when I think last Friday I took a entry here. If you see at major support, it's continuous fall from almost 2000 to 2000, almost 50% fall, more than 50%. So now it is available at 50%, right? Almost 50% fall. And this is very after, right? It's reached here and failed, reached here and again failed, and reached here again failed. And once it's break, right, 1000 trend line, it's reached almost 2000. Now it's taking that 1000, right? Around 1000 it is taking a, right? It's getting reversal. So my expectation is again, right? This trend line 920, right? 920 is 920 or 900. Below 900 is my stop loss. 900 is my stop loss. So my initial expectation is maybe 120, 1200, then 1700, then all-time high 2000. So if you are looking for long-term pointer, so these are the right targets you can see here. So this is about SFL. Same thing. Let's see here what Renko chart. So as per right, it's completely in downtrend. Now it is started upward. Okay, here you can see the support line. This support line system only drawn. Right here. Now it is moving up. So in short term here you can say I'm in 1%. So you are having 1200 your next target. That is what, right? Here also we discussed 1300, and here as per Renko, next support is next resistance is 1200. So like this, you can see some resistance lines here, 1300. Or else if you are looking for medium term, you can go with 2%, right? So these are the resistance lines, nothing but you can consider as a targets. But again, no guarantee it will go here. Maybe suddenly, maybe tomorrow due to market crash, right? What will happen? It will may come down, may break this support, right? This 1000 or 901, and it may go below. We have to be ready. Our job is only to follow strict stop loss. Targets, let them system give you. Just you have to follow the market. And if you are looking for long term, you can go with 3%. You can see this is the major support. That is what, right? We discussed. Once it's from here, right? 1400. These are the targets on long term contract. So it's a free software you can use. All right. Maybe you are not getting proper support and resistance lines. You are unable to draw. All right. You can go with Renko charts, and here apply these patterns. You can apply the patterns from here, right? Weak breakout, right? Wherever, right? You can include these things. So that system will give you proper support and resistance lines also. Anyway, you can just try to explore on these two stocks. Few more are there in my radar, like Gland, right? Sun Pharma and Toronto. Let's wait for 1 or 2 days. Let's see, then we will discuss. Okay. This is about NTPC as well as SFL. NTPC as of now I didn't take. Tomorrow I will take a entry here. Just I am waiting for one more candle just to break this previous side. Sorry, this is the right previous side. It's already crossed today previous side. So I will take tomorrow based on market situation condition. The SFL last Friday I already have a entry here. Okay, I already took that entry. Okay, now coming to option selling related one. Today I mentioned in morning, right? So I will do. Okay. So okay, yeah. Let me separately I will discuss more about option selling. So this is about stocks. Okay. See you in next video.